So the teams, we have team number 2, 4 and 5. Team number 2, because you are the numerically lower, you will have the first questions for the first 2 rounds. Okay. So before we proceed to the finals, I will just add on a few guidelines. The finals will again have a similar format. There will be 4 rounds of bounce questions, and each round will have a total of 6 questions, which means each team will get 2 questions each. And the difference between the semis and the finals is that in the finals, you have only 15 seconds to answer. You can discuss with your teammate, but your discussion will be open to the entire crowd. And after you have attempted, the question will be passed. For a passed question, the team that is getting the passed question will not have any additional time. You will have to immediately give me an answer, or I will let it go. Fine? Any doubts?
Sir, it will be open to the entire crowd, means the 3 teams, right?
Yes, 3 teams.
Okay.
Obviously, it's a pass question between the 3 teams. Because it is online, we have others. All the others are now spectators.
Sir, if we like answering the question which was asked to other team, and if we
Yes.
like give a wrong answer, like will we be losing any marks?
No, there are no
No,
negative
right.
marks. There will be no
Okay,
negative marks.
okay. Okay,
I
thank
want
you,
you guys to at least guess answers. That is the whole point. So that at least you can guess some answer and you will get points. Quizzing is not always about knowing everything. It is about being able to guess intelligently. Okay. So I want you guys to guess questions also. So we'll start with the first round. There will be 10 marks for a past question. 10 marks for a direct question and 5 marks for a past question. Scorers, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, there will be 4 bounce. I'll just repeat it once again. 4 bounce rounds, 1 rapid fire round. Team A to get the first direct question in the first 2 rounds. Team C will be getting the first direct questions in the last 2 rounds, just to get the permutations and combinations clear. And okay, so all the very best. The round 1 will be about India. Okay, so team 2. Just the rules of the round. Every team to get 2 direct questions. 10 marks for correctly answering a direct question. 5 marks for correctly answering a past question. 15 seconds to answer a direct question. No additional time to answer a past question. All decisions by me will be final. Okay. So all the best to everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so team 2, choose a number.
Sanjay.
Make it quick.
We'll go with 5.
Okay, so team 2 has chosen number 5. Your question for 10 marks is: DDLJ is the longest running movie in Indian cinema and recently completed 1,000 weeks of screening. Which movie held this record for the longest run in theaters for an Indian movie prior to DDLJ?
Sir, is it Hum Aapke Hai Kaun?
Okay, I'm taking that answer. That is a wrong answer. So team 4.
Nikhil, do you know the answer?
Is it Sholay?
Sholay.
That is a correct answer. Sholay is the correct answer. So team 4 gets 5 points. Team 4 gets 5 points. Now team 4, direct question to you. Choose a number. Make it quick, please.
We'll choose 4. Okay.
4.
Yes,
Team 4, your question for 10 marks is: the word secular in the preamble of the Indian Constitution has been subject to controversy. recently. This word did not feature in the original constitution enacted in 1950. In which year was this word added to the Indian constitution?
ജ്യോതിഷ ഇത്
1970s
എന്തോ ചെയ്തത്
1970s
ഇന്ദിരാഗാന്ധി ആഡ് ചെയ്തത്.
അവിടെ അത് 71 72
ഇന്ദിരാഗാന്ധി 71 തോന്നുന്നു. എനിക്കറിയില്ല, അത്
Okay, your
70s
time's
തന്നെയാണ്.
up.
1971.
That is the wrong answer. Team 5, do you have an answer?
Sir, 1972.
That is the wrong answer. Team 2, do you have an answer?
1976.
Team 2 gets 5 marks. That is the correct answer. It was added in the 42nd Amendment of 1976. This was during the emergency of 1975, which is why this is a very important era. Okay, now team 5,
Yes, sir.
choose a number.
Archana, choose it. 3.
3. Okay, so team 5, your question for 10 points is: name the famous logo that Bobby Kuka and Umesh Rao created in 1946, which has since remained a mascot for India internationally.
അറിയോ അർച്ചന? മറ്റേ മഹാരാജയാണോ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരാളിങ്ങനെ തൊപ്പിയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ കുഞ്ഞിക്കുന്നു? ഹലോ, കേൾക്കണില്ലേ? 46 അല്ലേ? ഏത് പറയണം?
Do I have an answer?
മഹാരാജ സർ.
Maharaja is the correct answer. Wonderful.
താങ്ക് യു സർ.
So, coming back to team, so 10 points for team 5. Coming back to team 2, choose a number.
We'll go with 1.
1.
Yeah.
Your question for 10 marks is: which Indian ruler infamously moved the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad and also planned the Khorasan and the Karachil expeditions?
Sanjay, any guess?
Akbar.
Sir, Akbar.
That is the wrong answer. Team 4.
So Aurangzeb.
That is the wrong answer. Team 5.
സർ തുഗ്ലക്, മുഹമ്മദ് ബിൻ തുഗ്ലക്.
That is a wonderful answer. That is also the correct answer. The answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. These changes are known as this is infamous because it is known popularly in Malayalam. It is popularly known as Tughlakan Sambradayam. That is making decisions without looking at long-term impacts of the same, leading to such decisions becoming failure. This is also used very popularly as an example in business corporate life. Okay. So now the direct question for team 4, choose a number.
ജ്യോതിഷ് 2.
2.
2. Which country has been invited by India as the guest of honor at the Republic Day parade the maximum number of times at 5?
ജ്യോതിഷ് US ആയിരിക്കും, US പ്രസിഡന്റ്.
US എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ
ജ്യോതിഷ്
വേറെ അടുത്തുള്ള രാജ്യങ്ങളുണ്ടോ?
അടുത്ത പേര്
Do I have an answer?
Go with US.
USA.
That is the wrong answer. Team 5.
അർച്ചന.
I guess it's the British United Kingdom.
That is the wrong answer. Team 2.
So France.
France is the correct answer. So team 2 gets 5 points. France has been invited by India the most number of times at 5. So final question to team 5.
Yes, sir. 6.
Why was the date August 15th chosen by the British for granting independence to India?
അർച്ചന അറിയോ? ഹലോ.
It was because of some
പാകിസ്ഥാൻ അന്നാണോ? അല്ല, എന്താ?
Some protest happened on 15th.
Okay, do I have an answer?
Sir, Archana പറ.
I'll take anything that is close to the answer. Okay, I don't have an answer.
Some protest was, held at August 15th before.
Good guess, but that is the wrong answer. Team 2.
So,
It is our independence date.
no idea. Sanjay, any idea you got?
No idea. Okay.
Sir.
Team 4.
Sir, anything related to Cripps
Yogesh.
proposal?
It is not related to Cripps proposal. Okay, so no team has got the correct answer. So the answer is, it was considered lucky by Lord Mountbatten
Oh.
since it was the second anniversary
Oh yeah.
of the Japanese surrender
Hiroshima,
in
yeah.
the Second World War.
Okay.
In fact, I would have taken any answer which just said it was a lucky date. Okay. So with that, we come to the end of round 1. How was round 1? Hope you guys had some fun.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
really impressed with your answers. So we'll proceed to round 2.
Yeah.
One second, let me just. Okay, I hope all of you can see.
Yes, sir.
Round 2 is largest, greatest, and longest. Okay. Again, we will start with team 2. The rules are same. I don't think I need to repeat the rules. Team 2, you choose a number.
Sanjay.
I think you choose.
Okay, so we'll go with fifth one.
5.
Yeah.
Okay, your question for 10 marks is, who holds a Guinness record for the greatest number of public appearances by a film star at different cities promoting the same film in 12 hours?
Sanjay, any idea? Sir, is it? I know this different. Oh, I forgot. Is it? I forgot.
Okay, time's up. Do I have a guess?
Is it?
Do I have an answer?
Stan? No, it's not Stan.
Okay, I'm passing the question to team 4.
Sir,
Nikhil?
is it
Yeah.
Will Smith? Will Smith?
That is the wrong answer. Team 5.
Sir, Tom Cruise.
That is also the wrong answer. The correct answer is Abhishek Bachchan, who promoted his movie Delhi 6 at 7 different locations.
Okay.
Okay, so question team 4. Choose a number.
Sir, 3.
3. Your question for 10 marks is, what is the lowest point reachable through normal road transportation, excluding roads in mines, in the world?
ജ്യോതിഷ് എടാ ഇതാ കാലിഫോർണിയയില് ഏതൊരു സ്ഥലമല്ലേ ഡെത്ത് വാലി അതാണോ എനിക്ക് ഡൗട്ട്
Lowest normal road transportation.
അതുമല്ല
Okay, your time's up. Do I have an answer?
Is it Death Valley of California?
That is the wrong answer. Team 5.
Sir.
Okay, I'm passing. Team
Okay.
2.
Sanjay, got any answer?
I do not have an answer.
No.
So Death Valley is an interesting guess, but Death Valley is basically the driest place on earth
Okay.
where there is no precipitation. The correct answer here is the Dead Sea,
Let's see.
Jordan,
Okay.
which is 418 meters below sea level, and you can drive there. Okay, so direct question to team number 5. Choose a number.
Archana, choose ചെയ്തോ. 3 ഇല്ല, 3ഉം 5 ഒന്നും ഇല്ല.
Make it quick.
Two. Okay.
Okay,
2.
so your direct question for 10 marks is, which is the the longest television series in India in terms of years?
അർച്ചന അറിയോ? സാസ് ബഹു വല്ലതും ആണോ?
In India, അല്ലേ?
ആ ഇന്ത്യയാണ്.
Ramayana, Mahabharata.
അല്ല അതാണോ? അത് സാസ് ബഹു ആണോ? മറ്റേ ഹിന്ദി സീരിയൽ എങ്ങാണ്ടല്ലേ?
പക്ഷെ അതിലും കൂടുതൽ രാമായണം കാണില്ലേ?
മാൽഗുഡി
Okay, your
ഡേയ്സ് ആണോ?
time's up. Your time's up. Do I have an answer?
സാർ
മഹാഭാരത.
Okay, I'm taking Mahabharata. That is the wrong answer. Team 2.
Sir, is it Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
That is the wrong answer. Team 4.
Like Nikhil, you know the answer?
Okay, I cannot give you further
Like
time.
Ramayana.
क्योंकि सास की कोई बहू थी.
Two answers. Both the answers are wrong, so I don't have to take any of those answers. The correct answer is CID. These are very common answers. I'm not looking for exceptional answers. Like I said, guess the most obvious guess. Now, direct question to team 2. Choose a number.
We'll go with 6.
6. For 10 marks, your question, team 2, is name the longest railway bridge in India.
Anjay, you got anything? I know this answer. I forgot the name.
Sir, is it in Goa? Like,
Okay, your time's up. Do I have an answer?
Oh no, sir.
Team 5. Sorry, team 4.
Sir, team
Sorry,
4.
sir. Team 4. Team 4.
Sir, it's in Assam. Like it's something starting with B. Bogi.
Bogeybill.
Bogibill.
Exactly. That is the correct answer.
Yeah.
Team 4 gets 5 points. It's the Bogeybill Bridge. It's not technically in Assam. Yeah, part of it is in Assam and the rest of it is in Arunachal Pradesh. This is very important because before this, the longest railway bridge in India was, any guesses? Was at Cochin. It is known as the Vembanad Bridge. It is a bridge you see at Vallarpadam.
Okay,
That used to be the longest railway bridge in India.
Okay.
Okay? So this happened last year, Bogeybill Bridge.
Yes.
So 5 points for team 4. Now direct question to team 4.
Sir, we will take 4.
4. For 10 points, team 4, your question is, name the largest plant township in the world.
I can't see the question. Okay. Plant
Like, do you know the answer?
township and,
Like, is it like Chandigarh or Chansandra?
planned township ആണോ?
Nimal smart city, ആണ്.
സ്മാർട്ട് സിറ്റി ഏത്?
Your
സൂറത്ത്
time's
ആണ്.
up. Do I have an answer?
Chandigarh.
That is the wrong answer. Team 5.
Sir.
In India, sir, Navi
Sir,
Mumbai.
Navi Mumbai.
That is the correct answer. Team 5 gets 5 points. The answer is Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
Now, team 5, the final question for you
Yes, sir.
for 10 marks is, which state has the longest coastline in India?
അർച്ചന ഗുജറാത്ത് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു കേട്ടോ. മഹാരാഷ്ട്ര ആണെന്ന് തോന്നും, പക്ഷെ ഗുജറാത്ത് ആണെന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത്.
Okay, we'll go with Gujarat.
അതിന് മുമ്പ് വേറെ വല്ലതും ഉണ്ടോന്ന് ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കി. വേറെ കോസ്റ്റ് ലൈൻ അല്ലേ? ഗുജറാത്ത് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
Do I have an answer?
സർ, ഗുജറാത്ത്.
Brilliant answer. That is the correct answer. Gujarat has the longest coastline in India at 1,600 kilometers. So you get 10 points.
ഓക്കെ സർ.
So with that, we come to the end of this round 2. Hope you guys are having fun.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll proceed to round 3 without any breaks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, round 3 is going to be about personalities. Fine. This time, team 5 will get the first option so that we can set off the permutation combination. But I think team 5 prefers to go last because you don't really need options. That gives additional pressure now. Okay, fine. So team 5, choose a number.
അർച്ചന പറഞ്ഞു.
5.
5. Team 5 is going for 5. Your question is, I was an Indian physicist specializing in quantum mechanics. Albert Einstein translated my paper Planck's law and hypothesis of light quanta into German. In 1937, Rabindranath Tagore dedicated his only book on science, Vishwa Parichay, to me. Who am I?
ശ്രീരാമൻ വല്ല ആയിരിക്കുമോ?
Sriram.
ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? വേറെ വേറെ ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോന്ന് ആലോചിച്ചൊക്കെ.
Like
JC ബോസ് ആയിരിക്കോ? JC ബോസ് ആയിരിക്കോ? അറിഞ്ഞൂടാട്ടാ. എന്ത് പറയണം? രാമൻ രാമൻ
Do I have an
പറയാമോ?
answer? Do I have an answer?
Yes,
Or I will-
CV Raman.
CV Raman is the wrong answer. Team 4.
Nikhil, do you know?
Can't
Is it
discuss.
Hargobind Khurana?
That is the wrong answer. Team 2.
Sir, no. Sanjay, if you got anything.
No.
So the correct answer is Satyendranath Bose.
Okay.
This is the person after which the Higgs boson particle is named.
Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, all the participants are required to place their hands in such a way that they are visible to the camera at all times.
Yeah, I'm not able to see all participants. I can only see 4 right now.
The moderators can see them, but
Okay, please.
all the participants are requested to keep their hands visible at all times. Thank you.
Okay, all participants, are your hands visible now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue. So team 4, your question is,
One എടുക്കടാ.
okay, I'm giving you
One
one.
എടുത്തോ.
One.
You can't discuss on the number, make it quick. Okay, for 10 points, your
Yes,
question is,
fine.
I played a vital role in the nationalization of banks, but I'm most remembered as the Prime Minister of India at the time of Rajiv Gandhi's assassination. Who am I?
ഇത് PV നരസിംഹറാവു അല്ലേ?
ആടാ.
1991 PV നരസിംഹറാവു എന്നില്ലേ? അപ്പൊ അതന്നെ ആടാ ഞാൻ.
എടാ,
പോട്ടെ.
വേറെ പേര് കൂടി ഉണ്ട്.
National
പോയിക്കോ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
വേറെ ആരുള്ള ആ സമയത്ത്? നരസിംഹറാവു മാത്രമാണ് 1991 നരസിംഹറാവു എന്നല്ലേ ബ്രസീഷ്യൻ
ആടാ, പറഞ്ഞു.
Sir, is it PV നരസിംഹറാവു?
That is the wrong answer. Team 2.
Sir.
Okay, I cannot give you more time. Pass. Team 5.
VP Singh.
That is the wrong answer. It is very sad that we do not know who the Prime Minister of India was at the time of Rajiv Gandhi's assassination. Many of us think that Rajiv Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India at the time of his assassination. The correct answer is Chandrasekhar.
Oh.
Okay, team 2. For your direct question.
2.
4.
Sir, 2.
2. Okay, so team 2, you have chosen 2 for 10 marks. Your question is, I am a famous Indian film actor and I represented the Indian national rugby team in India's first ever international rugby match in 1998. Who am I?
Sir, Sunny Deol. Sir, is it Sunny Deol?
I'm afraid that is the wrong answer. Team number 5.
അതില് ഷാറുഖ് ഖാൻ.
Shah Rukh Khan. Wonderful answer, but that is the wrong answer. Team number 4.
യുതീഷ്, any idea?
പിടിയിലുണ്ടോ? നീ പറഞ്ഞോ, ഗസ് എടുത്തോ.
Make it quick.
Is it Amir Khan?
Okay, all of you are Khans.
Amir Khan.
The answer is, that is the wrong answer. The correct answer is
രാഹുൽ ബോസ്.
Rahul Bose. He's a famous rugby player. Now, team 5, for your direct question, choose a number.
3.
3. Your question for 10 marks is, I was a Time magazine's Man of the Year in 1938 and went on to be nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 1939. However, I have never won the Nobel Prize. Who am I?
അർച്ചന അറിയോ? ഒരു ഗസ് പറയാനാണെങ്കിൽ മാൻ ഓഫ് ദി ഇയർ ടൈമിന്റെ അറിയില്ല.
ഗാന്ധി ശാസ്ത്രജ്ഞ മരിച്ചു.
അല്ല ഇത് 1913
Oh, 39. Okay, Gandhiji.
എന്താ വെച്ചാ പറഞ്ഞു കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
Nomination
രബീന്ദ്രനാഥ് ആയിരിക്കും.
കിട്ടിയായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ അല്ല
രബീന്ദ്ര
ഗാന്ധിജി കിട്ടിയില്ല.
Okay, your time's up. Do you have an answer?
ഗാന്ധി പറ. പേര് പറ.
മോഹൻദാസ് കരംചന്ദ് ഗാന്ധി.
That is the wrong answer. Question passes to team 4.
ടാറ്റയുടെ ആരെങ്കിലാണോ?
ഇത്
ടാറ്റയുടെ founder.
നോ ഐഡിയ.
Okay, team.
JD Tata.
That is the wrong answer. Team 2.
Is it Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel?
That is also the wrong answer. The correct answer is Adolf Hitler. He was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 1939. If you had noted the year, 1939 is the year when the
World War II
War
started.
began.
Before that, as an appeasement measure, he was offered the Nobel Peace Prize. So, team 4, choose a number.
4.
4. Your question for 10 marks is, I am a politician and a military commander. I am also the only civilian transfer between 2 submarines of 2 different navies during World War II. Who am I?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
That is the correct answer. So team 4 gets 10 points. Team 4 gets 10 points. The correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Now coming back to team 2, your question for 10 marks is, I am a winner of the Wright Prize at Cambridge and PhD holder from Oxford. When Jawaharlal Nehru asked me to join politics, I politely declined since I wanted to continue in my profession of teaching. However, I am now famous for being a politician more than an academician. Who am I?
Sir, is it Subramanian Swamy?
Was that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, that is the wrong answer. So team number 5.
Dr. S. Radhakrishnan.
That is the wrong answer. Team 4.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
That is also the wrong answer. Now, if you notice, he did not join politics immediately. All your answers were persons who were active politicians. The correct answer is Dr. Manmohan.
Okay.
So with that, we come to the end of round 3. Let me just one second. I'll just open up my okay. One sec. Okay. So I think it's time for round 4. Okay, all ready? So we'll start with team 5. This is going to be sports. The rules are same. Team 5, choose a number.
അർച്ചന പറ. 5 പറയട്ടെ. 5. Okay. 5.
5. Your question for 10 marks is, who is the only tennis player to have won a calendar Golden Slam?
അയ്യോ, ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ടെന്നീസ് പ്ലെയർ കലണ്ടർ ഗോൾഡൻ ഇല്ല അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. ടെന്നീസ് പ്ലെയർ ഫെഡററാ? അതല്ല, വേറെ ആരോ ഉള്ളേ? ആരെന്ന് വെച്ചാ പറഞ്ഞോ. എന്തേലും പറ. നിർത്ത്, ചോദിക്കാം, സമയം കഴിയുമ്പോ പറയാം. ആലോചിക്കാം എത്ര നേരം.
Okay, your time's up. That is the wrong answer. Question passes to team 4.
Sir, is it Steffi Graf?
Steffi Graf is the right answer. Team 4 gets 5 points. Steffi Graf is the only person to have won the calendar Golden Slam. This means she has won the Olympic gold and also the 4 major opens. That is the Australian, French, US, and Wimbledon in the same year. And she's the only person in the world to do that. Team 4, choose a number.
Nigel, any options? We'll go with 3.
3.
5 choose.
5
Five,
choose.
madam.
3.
3.
3.
I've already taken 3. So team
Okay,
4,
3,
your
3.
question for 10
Sir.
points is, who's the oldest player to score a hat trick in a FIFA World Cup?
പെലങ്കാനാണ്. പക്ഷെ ഒന്ന് ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കിയേ, ആരാ? പെലയോ?
എനിക്ക്
Oldest player അല്ലേ?
ക്രിസ്ത്യാനോ റൊണാൾഡോ തോന്നുന്നു 34 ഇയേഴ്സ്
അത്
ഓൾഡസ്റ്റ്
chance ഉണ്ട്.
പ്ലെയർ ടു സ്കോർ എ ഹാട്രിക്. അല്ല അതെ മിറോസ്ലാവ് ക്ലോസ് ആണോ ഇനി? മിറോസ്ലാവ് ക്ലോസ് ആണോ ഇനി? പക്ഷെ ഹാട്രിക് അയാൾ എവിടെ
എടാ,
അടിച്ചു?
പക്ഷെ നീ പറഞ്ഞ ജർമ്മൻ
ഹാട്രിക്
ടീമില്
അടിച്ചാണ് കഴിഞ്ഞ വേൾഡ് കപ്പിൽ.
Okay, your time's up. Do I have an answer?
എടാ ജർമ്മൻ പ്ലെയർ
Or I'll pass the question.
ക്ലോസ് തന്നെയാണെന്ന്
Is
തോന്നുന്നു.
it Christian? Miroslav Klose.
I'm taking Miroslav Klose. That is the wrong answer. Question passes to team 2.
Sanjay, any guess?
Okay, I cannot hold
Is
that.
it Cristiano?
Do I have an answer?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo is the correct answer.
Oh.
You guys almost had it, team 4. So team 2 gets 5 points. Now team 2, select a number.
So 4.
4. Your question for 10 points. Who were the first non-test playing nation to beat India in international cricket?
Sanjay, any idea?
West Indies New Zealand വല്ലതാണോ?
ടെസ്റ്റ് കളിക്കുന്നതല്ല, സിംബാബ്വെ ആണോ ഇനി? എന്താ പറയണ്ടേ? So we'll go
Okay,
with
your time's up.
Zimbabwe.
That is the wrong answer. Team 5.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka is the correct answer. Team 5 gets 5 points.
Correct.
This was in 1979. Sri Lanka obtained test nation status only in 1981.
Oh.
At times, guesses do work. Okay, so team 5. I mean, all the questions so far has been won by the team that got the past question.
Okay.
Team 5, your direct question. Choose a number.
1.
1 for 10 points. Team 5, your question is: in which cricket World Cup was field restrictions first introduced?
അറിയോ? ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നമ്പർ പറയാൻ. ക്രിക്കറ്റ് വേൾഡ് കപ്പ് ഫീൽഡ് റെസ്ട്രിക്ഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. പക്ഷേ 56 എന്നെല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞല്ല. ടൈം കഴിഞ്ഞോ?
70s or
Time's up. Do I have an answer?
സാർ 1975.
That is the wrong answer. Pass to team 4.
ജ്യോതിഷ് ഇത്
I don't have an answer.
2011-ലല്ലേ?
I don't have. Do I have an answer?
2011.
നീ ഗസ് എടുത്തോ. അടുത്തൊന്നും
Do I have an answer?
2011.
Okay,
2011.
that is the wrong answer. Team
2011.
2. Team 2.
So 1992.
1992 is the correct answer. Team 2 gets 5 points.
ഓഹോ.
This was also the year when
But
the colorful kits were also introduced for the first time for a World Cup. Okay, team 4 for 10 points. Choose a number.
2.
6.
2 or 6?
6.
6.
Okay. Your question for 10 points is: who was the first ever recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award?
അറിയടാ.
It is the highest award given for a sportsman.
എടാ വല്ല ഹോക്കി പ്ലെയർ ഗസ് ഉണ്ടോ?
ധ്യാൻചന്ദ് ആണോ ഇനി? അറിയില്ല. ലിയൻഡർ പേസോ ധ്യാൻചന്ദ് ആരെയാണോ?
നോക്കി കേട്ടോ പറഞ്ഞോ.
എന്താ പറയാ?
ധ്യാൻചന്ദ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ
Okay, time's up.
ഒന്നും അല്ല.
Do I have an answer?
Is it Leander Pace?
That is the wrong answer. Team 2.
Oh, Dhyanchan.
Dhyanchandh is the wrong answer. Team 5.
ടെണ്ടുൽക്കർ.
That is also the wrong answer. The correct answer is
Oh,
Vishwanathan Anand. This award was started in 1991-92. So final question of the round. Actually, the final bounce round question to team 2. How many gold medals have India won in individual events in the Olympics? Team 4, please keep your hands visible.
Jay, got any idea?
No.
So is it
Okay,
three?
time's up.
3?
That is the wrong answer. Question passes to team 5. Do I have an answer or not?
sir, 4.
That is the wrong answer.
Sir,
Team
4.
4. That is the wrong answer. Team 4.
Is it 1?
That is the correct answer.
1.
Team 4 gets 5 points. India has only won one gold medal for a gold medal in for an individual event, and that was won by Abhinav Bindra in 2008. With that, we come to the end.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes.
as mentioned earlier regarding the warning, we have given a warning to team 5 for not keeping the hands visible. One more warning will result in negative marks. All team contestants are required to keep their hands visible at all times, or there will be strict warnings. Thank you.
Okay.
Actually, we are like selecting this mute and unmute button. That's why the hand is going down occasionally.
Yes, they were already
No
given
other reason.
you are required to move your hand away from the position. Otherwise, keep your hands visible. We are only giving warnings when the hands are not visible for extended times. The moderators are also considering the unmuting factors.
Okay, so we are going to the rapid fire round.
Sir, could you just explain the rules of this round again?
1 second. Let me just sort everything. One second, I'm just getting it sorted. Okay. So there will be 3 questions per participant. That means 6 questions per team. As we did in the semi-finals, you can choose who goes first. A total of 15 seconds per participants. Time will start after the first question. Is it clear?
15 seconds per participant.
Sir, how many points per question?
5 points per question. Do you want to know your scores before we start?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Scorers, are we in a position to tell them the scores?
We will give the scores of each round.
Okay.
For the first round, team 4 scores 5 marks, team 2 scores 10 marks, team 5 scores 15 marks. For the second round, team 4 scores 5 marks, team 2 scores 0 marks, team 5 scores 15 marks. For the third round, team 4 scores 10 marks, team 2 and 5 scores 0 marks. For the fourth round, team 4 scores 10 marks, team 5 scores 5 marks, team 2 scores 10 marks.
So to total, presently we have team 2 with 20 points, team 4 with 30 points, and team 5 with 35 points. So all teams are within each other's each other's limits. So we can have a good rapid fire round. So the rapid fire will start with team 2 because you are the lowest scoring team presently. We'll start with you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Who's going first?
I think you go forward.
Sir, I'll go first.
Okay. So you will have a total of 15 seconds.
Okay.
The time will start after I ask you the first question. Okay.
Yeah.
So the first question for team 2, participant 1. Which is the only continent in the world without glaciers?
Sir, Australia.
That is the correct answer. Question number 2. Which Indian actor was originally known as Shivaji Rao Gaikwad?
Rajnikant.
That is the correct answer. Question number 3. Chitrapuda River, on the banks of which Rajagiri campus is located, is a distributary of which river? Okay, your time's up. I did not get an answer for the third question. The answer is Periyar. So team 2, participant 1 scores a total of 10 points. He's got 2 questions right. Participant 2, team 2, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your question, your first question is, what country has the most vending machines per capita?
America.
That is the wrong answer. Question number 2, what is the hardest natural substance known to man? Okay, your final question. Who was the first woman to be appointed a governor of an Indian state? Okay, that's it. Your time's up. You have not answered any questions. So you get 0 marks. So team team 2 gets a total of 10 points for the round.
Sir, can you tell the answers?
The country with the most vending machines per capita is Japan. The hardest natural substance known to man is diamond.
Diamond.
And who was the first woman to be appointed a governor of an Indian state? The answer is Sarojini Naidu.
Okay.
Okay, so now team 4.
Nikhil, any wonder? First time.
Jyotish first.
Okay,
Jyotish नहीं बोल.
Okay, so are you ready, Jyotish?
Yeah.
Your first question, and your time will start after the first question. The first question is, which country owns every panda in the world?
China.
That is the correct answer. Where does the Atlantic Ocean meet the Pacific Ocean?
Between the North and South America and Europe and Africa, in between.
I'm sorry, that is a very wrong answer. Okay, question number 3. Who was the first Indian actor to feature in 2 Oscar-winning movies? Okay, your 15 seconds is up.
Sir, answer. Okay.
Where does the Atlantic Ocean meet the Pacific Ocean? The correct answer is Cape Horn. I would have taken Panama Canal as also a correct answer. Now, question number 3. Who was the first Indian actor to feature in 2 Oscar-winning movies?
Irfan Khan.
Irfan Khan. Okay, so participant 2. Team 4 gets 5 points for the first part of the rapid fire. For the second part of the rapid fire, participant 2. Your first question. .tv is the internet country code top level domain of which country? I'll go to the question number 2.
Pass, sir.
Which is the only non-metal that is liquid at the room temperature? I'll go to question number 3. Who was the first? Did I get an answer?
Hello, sir.
Do I have an answer?
Was it bromine?
No,
Bromine
I
is the
didn't
correct
hear the
answer.
question.
Bromine.
So who's answering?
Bromine.
Bromine, that is the correct answer.
Sir,
Who's
team
answering?
first. I didn't answer, sir. Sir, team 4. I didn't answer anything.
Oh, okay. So who's your only second member of your team is supposed to answer?
Yeah. Only he answered, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So question number 3. Who was the first woman president of
Sir,
Indian
I'm
National
team
Congress?
4. Yeah.
Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Okay, I do not have an answer.
Sonia Gandhi.
Okay, that is the wrong answer. The correct answer
Sonia
is
Gandhi.
Annie Besant. The correct answer is Annie Besant. So team 5, Sorry,
Archa-
team 4 gets a total of 10 points.
Sir, I like got cut in between the last question.
Okay, so who was answering? I'm not sure what just
Like
happened.
previous, like when you were like asking the third question, I got cut in between.
Okay, so you heard the third question now.
Sir, one small
No.
doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Like Jyotish answered 2 questions, right?
Jyotish
Yeah, like
answered-
when it was exactly the third question, I got cut off. Like I didn't hear the third question.
My net is a bit slow, sir. That is the issue.
Jyotish was the first person who attempted.
Yeah,
So you
Yeah.
answered one
Team 4,
question.
yes, sir.
That is every panda in the world is in China. You
Yes, sir,
answered
I
that.
answered.
China.
That is the only question you answered.
Sir,
And
Sir,
So when
that is Jyotish.
yeah, so that is one question he answered, and the second member of the team answered, which is the only non-metal that is liquid in room temperature. Bromine. So total, the team answered 2 questions. So that is 10 points.
Okay,
So you
sir,
are in the
thank you.
lead right now. So team 5 is now under pressure. They'll have to answer at least one question.
Ah.
So team 5, who's going first?
Archana പോവോ ഞാൻ പോണോ?
Go.
ഞാൻ പോണോ? Okay,
Decide
okay, okay.
quickly.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so you're ready. Your
Yes, sir.
time starts as soon as I say the first question.
Okay.
Okay,
sir.
your question is, the parliament of which country is called a diet?
Don't know. Pass.
Which actor was named the Kerala wrestling champion in 1977?
Mohanlal.
That is the correct answer. On the banks of which river is Leh located?
Ganga.
That is the wrong answer. The parliament of which country is called a diet?
I don't know.
Okay, so you get 5 points. The parliament of which country is called a diet? The answer is Japan.
Okay, okay.
On the banks of which river is Leh located?
Yamuna.
It is Indus.
Indus. Okay. Okay, sir.
Indus. Okay, so participant number 2.
Sir.
Your first question is, which country has the longest name in the world?
Trinidad and Tobago.
That is the wrong answer. Name the most abundant element on the Earth's crust.
Sorry.
Most abundant element on the Earth's crust. Okay, question number 3. First woman to climb the Mount Everest. First woman to climb the Mount Everest. Okay, I do not have an answer. So your time's up. The country with the longest name in the world is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland.
Okay.
Name the most abundant element on the Earth's crust is oxygen.
Okay.
The first woman to climb the Mount Everest
Bajendri Pal.
is Bajendri Pal.
Okay.
Okay, so with that we come to the end of the rapid fire
Yes.
round. We have a very interesting scenario here. So at the end of the rapid fire round, team 2 has a total of 30 points. That is, you had 20 points so far and you have 10 points now. So we have 30 points. Team 4, you had 30 points thus far. You scored 10 points in this round, which means now you have 40 points. And team 5, you had 35 points thus far. You scored 5 points, which means you also have 40 points, which means we will now have to go into a tiebreaker round. Team 5, at the end of round 2, you had a 20-point lead. And at the end of the rapid fire, now you have come back to ties.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so all the very best. We will now have to proceed to a tiebreaker round.
So the scores of semi-final is not considered, right?
No, it is not considered.
No.
Okay.
Finals is a brand new ball game. Now, I was hoping that we do not go into a tiebreaker round because the idea of tiebreaker, I do not know how effectively we can implement it here. So organizers, I request you to help me in this. I want team 5 and I want only team 5 and team 4 to have their cameras open. All the other teams, kindly turn off your cameras.
So
All
would
the
there
other
be a
teams?
problem if they have their mics on all the time?
We will have their mics on all the time.
Okay.
This is going to be a tiebreaker, which means the first person to answer will win.
Oh.
Okay. So how do we identify who answers first? Basically, do not jump with your answer. Raise your hand.
Raise your hand in the sense in the Zoom.
Yeah, show your hand like this.
Okay. So you
Okay.
can see us. Okay.
Yes, I can see you.
Is it like one question or like 4-5 questions?
I'll have multiple questions till the tie breaks. You raise your hand and you give the wrong answer. You lose the round. You lose a tiebreaker.
So in a case if like both the members of the group raise their hands.
Of the same group?
Yeah.
Of the same team means you get to answer. If you
Like
are at
we
the
can
same
discuss
time,
an answer, right?
no, you cannot discuss an answer. One of you will have to take the risk. And if the answer is wrong, you will immediately be eliminated. This is a classic
so there's
tiebreaker.
only like one question.
There are 3 or 4 questions. So in case you cannot break the tie in the first question.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sir.
So the risk is up to you. You can take the risk and you can answer. And if you get the answer right, you win. If you get the answer wrong, you lose. Okay. So
sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
So if they answer and they get it wrong, they lose, or?
Yes, they lose.
Okay.
There is no coming back to a next question just because you got the answer wrong.
Okay.
So if you're raising your hand, you have to answer.
Oh, okay.
You have to answer. If your answer is wrong, you are eliminated. If you answer right, you win the round. Okay.
That's very risky, right?
Only we should
Yes,
answer.
Obviously, it's a tiebreaker. There should be risk associated to a tiebreaker. So be very sure if you want to raise your hand. But I would say raise your hand. If the other team raises their hand, they get the answer, they'll get through.
Oh, okay.
And do not give the answer until I tell you to, because I will discuss with the organizers whether I have identified the person who raised their hand correctly. If not, I'll go to the next question. Clear? Any doubts on the rules?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. So
No, sir.
the tiebreaker question. Are all of you ready?
Yes, sir.
In 2019, who was the most searched Indian personality on Google? Nobody wants to take a risk. So there are no hands raised for this question. So we'll proceed to the next question. Okay, I'm proceeding to the next question. On the banks of which river is our capital, New Delhi, located?
Jyotish.
You can't discuss.
Jyotish. Okay.
Nobody is raising a hand even for this question. Yes, we have a raised hand.
Sir, Yamuna.
Yamuna, Team 4 wins the quiz, the National Business Quiz of Rajagiri 2020. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
To Team 4. You came right from
Actually,
back. You were literally 20 points behind at the end of the
actually I
second
was
round.
I also wanted
sir,
to
I
answer
was,
Yamuna, but
like-
then I thought
I was there in Delhi for like 1
worried
year.
about it.
സാർ താജ്മഹലിന്റെ ബാങ്ക്സ് ഓർമ്മ വരുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ എന്നാലും പറയാനൊരു ഡൗട്ട്.
താജ്മഹൽ ഡൽഹിയിലല്ലല്ലോ.
അല്ല, ആഗ്രയിലാണ്.
100 കിലോമീറ്റർ ഉണ്ടടാ.
But this is a very
അങ്ങനെയാണ്
easy
പോകുന്നത്.
question. The reason why I kept it a very easy question for tiebreaker is so that the tie breaks. If we keep on having tough questions, the tie break, nobody is going to raise a hand. Okay, so there is a risk associated with the tiebreaker, and you should always be open to taking that risk.
Yes, sir.
Only then can you win. And Team 5, you are leading throughout the entire quiz. And
ഫസ്റ്റ് റൗണ്ട്
and you could not really close it out in the last round. So,
okay, sir.
But it was a wonderful event. I am really happy that you guys participated well. Team 2, you can join back in. Team 2, There is
Also, like, thank you, sir. Like, it was like a really good quiz.
Thank you.
Yes,
Team
sir.
2,
Yes, sir.
there
Thank
are
you, sir.
no, there are no.
Wonderful quiz. The
Yeah.
questions were wonderful.
Okay, thank
And
you.
there were also like some questions from UPSC angle, like that Higgs boson and
It was not really
Yeah,
UPSC
Tughlaq
angle
one.
question. It was a very straightforward question. It was kind of a
It
current
is,
affairs
yeah.
question.
Yes.
So these are questions that Higgs boson is something you might click. So I cannot have direct questions. In fact, the organizers they told me I need to have non-Googleable questions. So if I'm going to have non-Googleable questions, I'm pretty sure all of you, I mean, the entire rounds would have been zeros. And that quiz is not fun for me. The answer should come out only then is a quiz fun. So I'm really happy that almost in all rounds we had answers and you were able to answer questions. And I was really happy that we had such an exciting round. And team 2, you came third, but you were really strong. Especially you finished very strongly, which is why you came almost you came close enough to get into a tiebreaker. But I'm really proud that you guys participated well. Team
Thank you,
5.
sir.
You guys were leading all the way. I thought that I will not need a tiebreaker the way you started the quiz. You were very strong in the bounce rounds. You were answering your direct questions, which was very strong. But in the end, the team 4 just clawed back. You scored 10 points in round 3 and 10 points in round 4. And then you came into rapid fire and scored 10 points in rapid fire to make sure you catch them because they had a 20-point lead. And you caught them, and then you took the risk in the rapid fire round. It was a very simple question, very straightforward question, but nobody wanted to take the risk and end up on the wrong side.
So
and
which
at
was-
times in a quiz, it is all about taking that risk. Yes, you are going to lose if you get the answer wrong, but there was a very high probability that the other team will win by getting the correct answer.
Yeah.
Okay, so you came very close. Both of you, because you guys ended up in a tiebreaker. You guys are not really different. Both of you are winners. But this quiz had to have only one winner, which is why we have team 5. Could you, team 4, could you please tell your names out loud?
So my
Nikhil
name is
Raghunath
Jyotish
and-
Ashok Kumar.
Jyotish and
Like
Nikhil.
My name is
Nikhil.
Nikhil. Yes,
So
sir.
Jyotish and Nikhil, congratulations. And team 5, your names?
Adam and Archana.
Adam and Archana. So
Yes, sir.
wonderful performance by both of you. And team 2, could you please have
So Sanjay and Febin.
Sanjay and Febin. Okay, wonderful. So congratulations to all of you, and special congratulations to the winners who really took. And things got exciting. Yes, tiebreaker did make things exciting, even for me. So yes, congratulations to all of you.
Sir, first question answer എന്തായിരുന്നു ടൈ ബ്രേക്കറി ചോദിച്ച ആദ്യത്തെ
Who was the most searched Indian personality as per
Yeah.
Google in 2019?
Yes.
Abhinandan Vartaman.
Okay.
So I thought that all of you will immediately answer that question because I was supposed to bring a non-Googleable question, and I'm asking you about the person.
So
who
the
was
thing is, we
Googlable.
can take risk.
Nobody wanted to take risk. Okay, fine. I hope you had a wonderful time. So
Yes, sir.
organizers,
Sure.
Yes, sir. Wonderful,
organizers,
sir.
I
Wonderful.
would like to invite you back. Did I jump a gun by announcing the results?
No, sir.
No, sir, never.
Okay. So organizers, I'm inviting you back.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I invite Greeny to do the conclusion. What of things? Greeny, you are not audible.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank our quiz master, Mr. Bhaskar Nath, for wonderful quizzing time. Thank you, sir. And
Thank you.
We thank our management, principal, faculty, seniors for giving us this wonderful opportunity. And I would like to thank all our members of RNBK team for the hard work and support. Finally, thanks to all the participants, and congratulations to Jyotish and Nikhil Raghunath for winning the entire degree. And have a great evening. Thank you all.
Thank you guys for having me as the host for this event.
Thank
I
you,
hope all
sir.
of you had
Thanks
a
a
lot of fun.
lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
I hope
sir.
all of you had a lot of fun.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Do keep
Enjoyed
in
it a lot.
touch. Do
Thank
keep
you,
in
sir.
touch.
Yes, sir.
And okay. Good night.